volume for any shape is nothing more than area of the base times the height. The hard part is figuring out which part is the base. And remember I said in a previous video that the base is the two parallel shapes, or the one shape that holds the sides together. So if you look at this, this has 1, 2, 3 rectangles. So those are the sides. In this particular case, the sides are rectangles. So we know that this is a prism. We name the prism by looking at the base. And in this particular problem, the bases are triangles that hold those sides together. So the base is your triangle shape. One base on the top, and the second base, let's do the second base in green. These are your bases. So the pink base and the green base, those are your bases. And in this case, the height to the base is here. That's telling me how tall this is. So volume equals base times height in a prism. The base happens to be a triangle. So the triangle is 1/2 base times height. That gives me the big B. This part represents the big B. And the height is the height to the base. This is the triangle, and the height to that triangle happens to be the 3, which is blue. So I'm going to highlight this H in blue. This height to the base. So basically, we have volume equals area of the base, 1/2 the base times the height of the triangle. So this base happens to be 6 times the height of this triangle is this measurement, which is 2.5. And the height of the entire prism is this height, which is 3. So the base is 6. The height of the triangle is 2.5. And the height to the triangle, not the height of the triangle, but the height to the triangle is 3. And what did I forget? I forgot 1/2 of this. 1/2 base times height. This part gives me the triangle. And the 3 is the height. So it's 1/2 base times height times the height to the triangle. So 6 times 2.5. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15. 1/2, 15 times 3. Okay. 15 times 3 is 45, so 1/2 of 45. 1/2 of 45 is, so what's 1/2 of 45? 22.5. There you go.